What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan. Today is March the 29th of March, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I just received this gift in the mail from Amazon. It's a built-in rechargeable lithium battery rotating auto face tracking stand. It says it's an 8 hours working time. It said no app required. It said free your hands when shooting vlogs or live broadcast streaming. So I wanted to do a video and show what it looked like, and so you can see what's popping with it. I haven't opened this. My first time we're gonna see it, and we're gonna probably do a little quick review on it and see how it goes, and let's see where it goes. Since I have my other phone, I'm gonna use this phone as a prop to see if it works. It comes with instructions, a manual, and it also comes with these devices as well. It said 360 auto tracking phone holder, and it got the instructions. Said one press and hold the power on and off button for 3 seconds for the blue indicator light up, then into the tracking state. When the phone is in the tracking state, press the power on and off once to make the device pause tracking, and the indicator is always red. And press the power on and off again to resume the tracking state. Says number 3. It said the bottle holder can be disassembled with a 1/4 inch screw, and can be substituted with another 1/4 inch standard screw tripod support. Said please don't move too fast. The holder works as a human face tracking and doesn't work on animals or moving objects. It said charging instruction. Please use the Type-C interface changer charging cable to connect the device to a 5V or 1A power supply. The red charging indicator is always on a charger. Is on when charging. After the charging is complete, the indicator light goes off. And that's pretty much all it says. It says it shows the top part. On here it says the phone clip is at the very top. It got the show you the power on and off. It says the tracking lens, it says the indicator, the holder, the rotating shaft, the charging indicator, the charging port Type-C, and the reset button. It shows all that on this map right here. And we just gonna see how it goes. I'll probably get up and show you. And so, I don't know if it's probably not that clear, but it's just what it is. The best I can do for right now. Let's see if we put this thing together a little bit. See what's popping with it. I'll be here today. Said I show my love my way. So where's the eye? So I guess it's just one big stand and screwed in. Show my love today. Okay. All right. It's got the power thing up like it said. The power, it said, it's the on and off button. I see the tracking lens, the indicator, the rotating shaft up here. So I guess this right here, it moves back and forth, so you can change the direction. You can't go left or right. You can only go up and down. So hopefully it fits the phone. Let's check it out. Okay, I see the blue light. It said hold it for 3 seconds. The blue light indicator will light up. Then into the tracking state. It said when it's in the tracking state, press the on or off button once to make it pause tracking. So I guess I gotta go over here. So, oh, it's already moving. I don't even have my phone there. It's already tracking me. Let's see. Microphone. Oh yeah, I'm about to record it. I'm about to hit record, and I'll do y'all another part on this one as well. Let's see, but it's let's go. What's up? What's up? Yo, I'm gonna be recording. I will also try to put this as a short, just so you can see. So let's get up. Let me see. Let's walk over here. Yeah, it goes over here. Hey, it's moving. Like if I go to the right, it goes to the right, as you can see. Let me see if I go all the way around. Would it follow me over here? I guess it don't go all the way around. Over here. Or it probably just oh, there you go. It goes all the way around. I gotta have space so it can go all the way around. Also, you need, like, if you have it at a higher angle, it might be easier for you. So, let me see if I can find. But yeah, it's working. It is, I noticed this bottom part is the one that's spinning. That's what's up. This is cool. This is pretty cool. Hey. It take it's probably like maybe a second or two, and once you move, it tracks you where it wants to do it that way. So I will show this in a little bit. It's not gonna be short because it's too long because it's more than a short. So thanks. We got that in here. So let's get this thing going. So I feel like this is pretty cool. And it's it already, and this is right here is the charger. So we just hook this up, plug it in. And they said, wait, hold on. It said, how did you cut the tracking off? It said when it's tracking on, press the power one time and it will cut the track off. Yeah, so all I had to do is hit the button one more time and the tracker will come off. And let's see, and then press it again. Yeah, and I press it again and it goes back on. So that's pretty cool. I like it. I'm definitely gonna use it. When I do use it, I've got to make sure I have it at a higher stand or have it in the center of the room. So if I want to do something, I'll be able to do it like the full room. So I definitely like this device. Thank you for the gift. I really do appreciate it, and I will be using it because that's what I do. And they had different ones on here. This one right here is a 360 rotation. So it will go around. This one will go around in 360. So this one will go around 360 and do portrait, switch, and stuff like that. And we're gonna see how it goes. So with that being said, this is the review of my what I just built in rechargeable lithium battery rotation auto face track, and it got an 8-hour work time. So that means if I was over here doing my workout, it would probably be able to show my workout the whole time, which is gonna be pretty cool. So I just gotta find my charger. So with that being said, that's the information I have for this right here. So thank you for the gift. I really do appreciate it, and I'm definitely gonna use it. So whatever y'all do so at your own pace, own moderation, stress, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee, cheese, yeah. What's up? What's up? Yo, I'm over here recording. I will also try to put this as a short, just so you can see. So let's get up. Let me see. Let's walk over here. Yeah, it goes over here. Hey, it's moving. Like if I go to the right, it goes to the right, as you can see. Let me see if I go all the way around. Will it follow me over here? I guess it don't go all the way around. Over here. Or it probably just oh, there you go. It goes all the way around. I gotta have space so it can go all the way around. Also, you need, like, if you have it at a higher angle, it might be easier for you. So, let me see if I can find. But yeah, it's working. And it's I noticed this bottom part is the one that's spinning. That's what's up. This is cool. This is pretty cool. Hey. It take like, it's probably like maybe a second or two, and once you move, it tracks you where it wants to do it that way. So I will show this in a little bit. It's not gonna be short because it's too long because it's more than a short. So thanks. We got that in here. So let's get to